Hello students, welcome to my channel Learning History Made Easy. In today's video, I will be explaining about the blueprint for 2021, and this blueprint is based on the two model papers released by the university or by the PU board. So before getting into the video, if anyone is seeing the channel for the first time or if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends, and also click the bell button to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting time, let us get into the video and see about the blueprint. So here you can see the first part of the blueprint. So I will just give you a small explanation of what all topics are there in the blueprint. First, you have the chapters, then unit, that is in one chapter is divided into different units. Then the main contents are there. Then teaching hour for the unit and teaching hour for the chapter. Actual weightage of marks. Then 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 5 mark question, map question, 10 mark question, match the following chronological order, and total marks allotted. So finally when you see the total marks allotted, it will be out of 160. So you don't get confused. This 160 total marks is including your choice questions. You will have choice questions, no? So including that. So your actual paper will come only out of 100. That is total you will have to write only for 100 marks. But the total marks including choice will be 160. That is why finally you will see 160. So let us see the first chapter, introduction. The first chapter, introduction, it will need total 5 hours for completing the chapter. That you need not see. In that, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, that is 1 question for 2 mark means 2 mark, 5 mark 1 question, and here match the following 1 question, and so total 9 marks. Okay, so this is how the first introduction will be. Then then directly the second chapter and third chapters are cancelled. Then you go on to the fourth chapter, that is ancient period. In that 4.1, that is Vedic culture. In that teaching hours 4 hours, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, match the following, chronological order 1 question, and total 4 questions will be there. 4 mark questions will be there total. Okay, 4.2, that is rise of a new religion, Jainism and Buddhism. Teaching hours 4, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question, match the following 1, and total, that is 9. So here if you see 5 mark 1 question, here a chance is there. So when you see the chapter, we can think that life and teaching of Mahavira can come as a 5 mark question here. 4.3, Mauryas, teaching hours 4, in that 2 mark 1 question and 10 mark 1 question. So that is very important. From Mauryas, 10 mark 1 question, total 12. So if you see maybe Ashoka's question can come here as 10 mark question. Next, 4.5, Gupta's, teaching hours 4, and here 1 10 mark question, very important, chronological order 1, total 11. So in this 10 mark question, we can easily understand golden age of Gupta. Why is Gupta age called as golden age? That is a 10 mark question here. So here also we saw one 10 mark question, here also we saw one 10 mark question. Then 4.8, Rashtrakutas, teaching hours 3, 2 mark question 2, 5 mark question 1, total 7. Then later Chalukyas and Hoysalas, teaching hours 5, 1 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question, total 6. So like this we can see that from which all chapters 5 mark questions are probable, which all chapter 10 mark questions are probable. So seeing that, it will be helpful for us to find out which are the important questions. Now let us move on to the next part. Okay, so in the next part, fifth chapter, that is medieval period. In that 5.1, Delhi Sultanate. Okay, teaching hours 6, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, and here 10 mark 1 question. So 10 mark 1 question we can say, why is Muhammad bin Tughlaq called as a mixture of opposites? Maybe. So say like that, one 10 mark question from here. Match the following one, chronological order 1, total 15. 5.2 Mughals. In that teaching hours 6, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, match the following one, chronological order 1, total 5. Rise of Marathas. Teaching hours 2, 2 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question, then total 7. So here we can think a conquest of Shivaji can come as 5 mark question. So if you see this 25, this is total teaching hours, okay, total teaching hours, full chapter together how much teaching hours, and this is the total marks from the full unit, okay. So this 5.4 Vijayanagara, teaching hours 7, in that 2 mark 1 question and 10 mark 1 question, you can say cultural contribution of Vijayanagara can come as a 10 mark question, total 12. 5.5 Bahmani and Adil Shahis, teaching hours 4, 1 mark 1 question and 5 mark 1 question. Okay, so this is how the marks are divided here in 5th chapter. Now let us see the 6th chapter. In the 6th chapter, if you see, 6th chapter, socio-religious reform movement, 7 teaching hours. In that 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question. In this, any socio-religious reformers question, either Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya, Basaveshwara, Ramanujacharya, anyone can come as 5 mark question here, total 8. In the 7th chapter, modern period, 7.5, teaching hours 3, 2 mark 1 question and 10 mark 1 question, Mysore model state. So naturally 10 mark question will be Vishweshwarayya's question. Sir M. Vishweshwarayya is called as a maker of modern Mysore explained. So total 12. 7.6 Indian National Movement, teaching hours 11, then 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 10 mark 1 question. 10 mark mostly Gandhiji's question will come. Gandhian era question will come as a 10 mark question. Match the following one, chronological order 1, total 15 marks. And finally, unification movement of Karnataka, teaching hours 3, 1 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question. Factors for the unification among Kannadigas, or write a short note on the unification movement of Karnataka. Any one question can come as 5 mark question, total 6. And last we have map work. Map work 3 teaching hours. In that 16 marks, that is including choice, 8 places will be given. Each place carries 2 marks, so 16 marks actual weightage, but you will have to mark only 5 places because the mark for that question will be 10 mark. Okay, so this is how your exam paper will be set up. So this blueprint is made based on the 2 model papers which is released by the university. Okay, so I hope you have understood that this 160 marks is including choice. Okay, 10 mark 10 questions will be given, so 10 marks. 2 mark 12 questions will be given and you will have to write only 10. So 12 questions, 2 marks 24. 5 mark question, total 40. Map 16. 10 marks 60. Here this 60 is including the question which is given for blind candidates. Okay, so don't get confused. This is including question given for blind candidates. Then 10 match the following 5 marks and chronological order 5 marks. So this is how your marks are divided. So I hope you have understood this blueprint very clearly. Please try to learn according to this blueprint and according to the weightage of marks given. from each chapters, and please try to understand which chapter is more important and from which chapter more mark questions are going to come. And for that you will have to refer to the model papers which I have uploaded in my channel, and also passing packages. The model paper and passing packages are prepared according to this blueprint, so you can refer to all those things. And I have also uploaded a video regarding the tips and techniques to answer your history paper. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your likes, shares, comments all are very important for me, and it will encourage me to make more and more videos. So I hope to see you all soon in a very interesting video. Thank you for watching.